Hey everybody, Damien here. How are you doing today? I hope you're well wherever you are watching this video from. Okay, question I get asked all the time is, how do I get started investing in property? Well, what I say is, first thing you should do is get some education. Now, education is really important because when you do start making decisions, you want to make good decisions. If you make decisions without an education, you're going to make bad decisions, you're going to lose money, or not make as much money as you possibly could if you had that education. Very important. So step one, get educated. Step two, get a mentor. Okay. Now there are plenty of people out there. You do need to be wary though of who your mentor is. If you'd like to be educated, mentored by me, go to my website, Integrity Property Investment. There is a section there called Education where you can watch some of my webinars, download one of my books, Safest Houses. You can download that for free. But also, if you'd like to be mentored by me, there's a link there where you can book yourself in for an appointment, or just reach out to us and we'll have a conversation. No problems at all. Now, the things that, why would you want to be mentored? Well, there's a lot more to it than you think. There's a lot of different considerations in terms of what sort of property you buy. First of all, where you buy the property. Second of all, what sort of property you buy. And then all the other supporting activities, insurance, finance, property management, building inspections, your accountant, lots and lots of different stuff like that. But there are people out there and companies that can take care of all of that for you, such as Integrity Property. So, way to get started: educate yourself first, get a mentor, and then get the team you need around you to go and get it done, and you'll be just fine. Hopefully, I will meet you in person in a strategy session, and I can help you do that myself.